I feel like Rhoeta was able to make this huge progression, right? She started off in this class, she had a lot of skills, but to be able to refine and hone those skills and then to demonstrate them when it was like under pressure, I was so proud of her for that, and just seeing the hard work that paid off for her.
Yeah.
Because she practiced a lot. Her family ate a lot of muffins. Like they ate a lot. They ate a lot of them. They told me. It's like, yep.
When the actual award ceremony started, and you take them, they take you up on the stage, and there's all these lights, and it's so dark, but there's so many faces and people. Like I barely, just in time, picked out where Chef Scoville and all my other like friends were in the crowd. And so I do a little wave at them.
They invited her up onto the huge stage with, there must have been 5,000 or 6,000 people in the audience.
Oh my goodness, wow.
So she's up there, they start calling everybody's names, and they introduce them all, and then they say, now we're going to announce the top 3.
And then they're like, your first place baking and pastry champion from Renaissance High School. And when they said Renaissance, I was like, that's me. So my jaw dropped.
And we were like, we were cheering so loud, we were screaming. She was like stuck, like, what? And she went up onto a huge podium, and everyone around us was like high-fiving and cheering. And
then, I mean, it's just a blur. I like kind of stumbled, got myself together, got up on the podium. They hand you this big plaque, you take a picture, and I was just so happy. Like the adrenaline, it's wild.
I think that one of the biggest things for our CTE programs and having these student organizations is the chance that it gives them to see outside of the school day.
Sure.
You know, they're learning all of these things and they're like, okay, this is great, but to see themselves in another situation and to be able to apply what they've been practicing and learning, I think it kind of opens their eyes and it opens doors as well.
But then it's like to compete and go and do that with the time and with the people and all of the measuring and cleanup and stuff you have to do as well in the actual competition. You realize, like, I can do this. Like, we've been training for the last 3 years, and all of a sudden it's like I've done something that shows that those classes are paying off, if that makes sense.
Sure,
like
absolutely.
it's a visual, like, I guess, reminder that you've done something that matters.